Hi friends, let me show you this new car luggage bag. This is aimed so you can have more luggage space in any vehicle. This will go in your car roof, and it's great when you are going to travel and you need more space. It has a lock so your belongings are safe. As you can see, it's a really big bag. Okay, you see? And when you install it, this orange sleeve will protect your belongings from water, basically. Okay, everything is protected. We're going to try it, okay? And you open it with this zipper, okay? So as you can see, it's a really big bag. You can put a lot of stuff over there. You get also this special film to put in your car's roof underneath the bag. It will help you with two things. First, it will protect your car roof so it won't scratch. And second, it will make the bag more sticky to the car roof so it won't move that much, okay? Well, you can put it with these long straps if your car has car tracks, or you can use these small loop straps to put it in a car with no roof tracks, okay? We're going to test it and you will see how easy it is to install and to bring it with you in your trip, in your vacations, whenever you need it. Thank you.
Okay, so we are here now at the truck. We will put these hooks. We'll put 3 on each side. One will be at the back, and the other one in the middle, and another one just about like this, so we can hang the travel bag. So first thing we need to do, we take this off like this. We put it in. I'll put another one as I'm here. So put it back there, and we just get this well like this and close the door, and it's still like this. Okay, so we have now the hooks ready. Right now I'm gonna put the other ones that will go on the other side, to then put this mat on the roof of my car so it won't get scratched. Okay, so as you can see, there are the 6 hooks right now ready. So it's time to put the mat on. Okay, so as you can see, I've already extended the bag, and I've got this one of the hook, and I'll just get it right here like now and adjust it so it gets secure. You also want to make sure to put the left one or right one, depending on which side you started, so you can get the bag centered while you secure them. Right now we can see that it's a bit more to the left, so we can adjust it so be centered right now. And now I'll just secure them tightly. Okay, so I've secured it already. As you can see, it's quite firm. It doesn't wobbles a bit, and it's very nice. I like it. The velcro, you secure it so you can get your zipper safe from water and stuff like that. because if it rains or something, it gets in this channel right here, that it's all the way, but not in the zipper that is here, that it's safe. Just get it in there, and as you can see, it stays like that. So I will highly recommend it. It's quite nice. I like the colors. It's very safe, very sturdy. It won't move a lot, as you can see. It won't damage the roof. So that's more than perfect. I highly recommend it, guys.